bring together people from academia as well as from the private sector, from industry, and researchers generally to this kind of workshop so that together they can learn new emerging technologies. The initial thought was that we, being a university mandated to deal with the arts, culture, and heritage studies, try to establish the best practices in the area of culture and heritage studies. So when our technical guys went to India for training, they came back and said, well, they had identified a partner who could come here and help with the kind of training we were envisaging. Now you may be wondering how we as a university mandated to do arts, culture and heritage studies are in technology. Well, the thing is that the kind of technology we are having here is the kind of technology that can easily be used to enhance our study of our culture and our heritage. You may be aware that our university was asked by the Ministry of Primary and Secondary Education to train teachers who will teach in the 16 languages that are recognized by the Constitution of Zimbabwe.
Actually, we are here for the to conduct a boot camp on the big data analytics and Hadoop technology to give the awareness of the people and how Hadoop can help them to solve the problems of the big data analytics. And the main core, the challenge for all organizations to how to handle the big data of the respective organizations and institutions. So this particular workshop is mainly on spheres of to give the awareness and idea to the people how they can use Hadoop for their big data analytics and which can help them in taking good business decisions to improve the profit of their organizations and also expand their business. And as you know, India is of course a very big country compared to Zimbabwe, and opportunities and options are very high in India compared to here. But it's a very right time now to Zimbabwe to move into this sphere and make more utilization of this particular technology and make more people get aware of this technology, because this technology is going to be the most important technology and the future technology for various reasons. So I would really stress that like more people take the trainings, more people implement them, and more people work on the proof of concepts, POCs, the big data analytics, use the center and take the help of the infrastructure, what is a wonderful infrastructure, what is available here, and they can utilize this infrastructure and they can implement small scenarios on this infrastructure, using this infrastructure, and then they come out with different solutions on that.
Sometime last year, in October, the Ministry of Higher and Tertiary Education, Science and Technology Development, through the HPC Center here, organized a training workshop for academics and ICT practitioners in universities to come and have a better understanding of the equipment that we have here. And I was one of the trainees. Now, during the training, the instructor kept mentioning Hadoop and big data analytics. But I didn't understand these things at that point. So after the training, I went back home and I made my own personal researches. And I realized that the further and deeper courses on this are only offered in India, Europe, United States. So I requested through my Vice Chancellor to go to India for that training. And he allowed me to visit India in January. I was in India for 3.5 weeks. And I did 4 courses in big data analytics. And Mr. Sai Kuma, who is our guest here, took me through 2 of those. So when I was going through the training, I then got in touch with the ministry officials as well and the HPC officials. Say, you know what, guys, I'm here and there is manna here. We need to organize something so that the whole nation can benefit. The ministry agreed. I lobbied through my vice chancellor, and the vice chancellor was in agreement. And we then decided to co-host this inaugural workshop, which combines industry and academic, so that we can have the skills to fully utilize the HPC Center and do cutting-edge research in big data analytics and artificial intelligence in Zimbabwe. And this is what we are doing here. We have a total of 34 participants who are gathered here to go through this course.